In this video, we are going to talk about Hoop Mat by Dime, Designs and Machine Embroidery. The Hoop Mat is a silicone mat with a printed grid. It provides a non-slip hooping surface. It works great with both your standard and your magnetic hoops. It also rolls up easy for travel or storage. Let's take a look. The hoop mat is a very soft silicone material. You can roll or fold hoop mat for storage, and it will return flat. It also has a very bold vertical and horizontal centering line. Hoop mat also has a 1-inch grid for measurements. Here I've placed my hoop on my cutting mat so you can see how easily the hoop would move around on a smooth surface. You can see how hoop mat holds my hoop in position and doesn't allow it to move around freely. To use hoop mat, center your hoop over the center crosshair. Remove your inner ring. Place your stabilizer and your item over the base of your hoop and insert the inner ring. Hoop mat also works great with your magnetic hoops. It holds them in position in the same way and keeps them from sliding around. It also works fantastic with multi-needle hoops. As you can see here, perfectly held in place.